Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm a pharmacist here at Strive Pharmacy, and today I'm going to teach you how to properly use and store your Topi-CLICK Micro. Each device can hold up to 9 grams of medication and includes a clearly marked refill line to help you know when it's time to request your next refill. When the medication reaches the line below the word refill, you'll have about 32 clicks remaining. When the medication is above the word refill, there are about 12 clicks left. So to get started, we're going to remove the cap by twisting it off. Next, we'll hold the device upright and twist the base until you hear a click. Each click is going to deliver a measured dose of 0.05 grams. After twisting, allow that device to sit upright for 15 to 30 seconds. This gives the medication time to fully dispense to the top. Using the built-in angled applicator tip, apply the cream directly to the affected area exactly as directed by your provider or pharmacist. Gently rub the medication in until it's fully absorbed. You'll want to avoid applying this medication to broken skin, like cuts or burns, unless your provider has specifically instructed you to do so. Now, once you're finished, take a moment to check the top of the device. If needed, you can gently wipe it clean with a tissue or paper towel, then screw the cap back on securely. If any medication gets on your hands, be sure to wash them right away. You'll store your Topi-CLICK Micro in an upright position away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. Make sure to always keep it out of reach of children and pets. Now here's a few troubleshooting tips. If your device isn't dispensing medication right away, there may be some air trapped inside the device. To fix this, hold the device upright and gently tap it on a flat, level surface. Remove the cap and twist the base until an even amount of medication dispenses. Then wipe away any excess medication and your device is ready to go. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any further questions, you could always reach out to us at strivepharmacy.com.